welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I'm just going over part 2 of the previous video, which we are going to discuss what I spent and possibly why. So I have stickers from Shay Budgets. So I have these colors, well, this color here for other cash envelopes and credit cards. I have yellow for miscellaneous and unbudgeted. I have pink for grocery and household. I have this tealish color for personal and planner stuff. I have this orange color for sinking fund and emergency, and this brownish color for fast food. So as you can see, when it comes to the first day that I actually got paid, I spent $25 on H&T's Home Style Kitchen. So that's a place for soul food, and that was for 2 meals. I did end up spending $123 on the Black Collaboration sale. Now, even though Planner Craven was spent or purchased on Saturday, I just added that amount to this one. On the 19th, I ended up buying my hair oil, which I did show, and it looks like this. And I ended up spending $56 on sending my mom some money. On the 20th, that's when I purchased the second bottle of hair oil for $7.49. We did go to Sonic's, and I ended up spending $24.77. Now that's just not on myself, that's on multiple people. On the 21st, I ended up buying fast food from 3 different places, which was $33 in total. For the 22nd, I let someone borrow some money, and they just paid me that $40 back, so I'm just going to remove this sticker. And I guess you would say this day would be a no spend. And on the 23rd, we have a no spend. The 24th would be a no spend. The 25th would be a no spend. And today is the 26th, which is a no spend. Now, Monday and Tuesday are my off days, so I may have some expenses to track then. And of course, I did pay State Farm. Now I'm debating if I want to, when it comes to the stickers, I'm debating if I want to just start tracking all cash envelopes in a certain color, all sinking funds in a certain color, or should I keep it the way that I have it now? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if I should track everything like I have it now, or if I should do it separately. Now, I do think I need my own color stickers for Walmart, especially since we do go there a lot, and I do a lot of online ordering for Walmart. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, I will have more videos like this next month, and I did get this idea from the Organized Millennial. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, go ahead and check her out, which I will link her channel above. She do have great content. She have Plan With Me's, all of that good, fun, planner related stuff. and she do a lot of sticker hauls. So definitely check out her channel, and thank you for watching.